Okay, so here's some basic guidance on how to set up the tablet and the actual camera itself. So the camera will come like this. You've got a grip. You've also got a battery with a Velcro pad. You've got a tablet holder and then several chargers. And there's also a tripod which doubles up as a grip, but I just suggest using this as a tripod because they're not as robust as the grips. So you press in the two buttons on the side and then you can adjust the actual top of the grip. So if you did want to hold it as a grip, you'd set it up like that, and then you'd simply get the grip, you'd turn the sensor upside down, and then you'd screw that in place as such. So just turning it into a tripod, which we recommend it for, you'd extend the legs, press in the two buttons, and then it's good to go as a tripod. So we'll just collapse that down and remove that. So I'll just put that safely in the box. So yeah, for portable use, we suggest using the wide platform grip. So again, that just screws into place as such. And that's far more robust and it's not going to go anywhere then. So moving on to the next part, you've got this ball mount at the back. So you just want to make sure that that's firmly seated onto the stand. You want to position, I'll try and show you this gap at the front because that'll allow you to tilt the tablet holder forward. So whilst it's in that position, take the tablet holder and just screw that in place till it's nice and tight. I'm saying align that little gap there so you can tilt it forward and then screw it up tight. So that is now resting, as you can see, against the sensor. So you're now ready to put the tablet in place. So you can unlock this and extend the tablet holder, slip the tablet into place, turn it back round, lock it into place. Now just make sure everything's nice and secure and in place before making it mobile, because obviously you don't want to drop the tablet at all. So I'll just remove the tablet to make the rest of the explanation a bit clearer. So I'll just lock that up for now. So the battery, well, I'll dismiss these other two parts first. You'll have a charger marked sensor. So we suggest when setting up for the first time, we always use the power, and that dismisses any battery failures or charging issues. Some of the Connect sensors have this built into the back and they don't have a flying lead, so just bear that in mind. All of the charging leads are 3-pin, so if you're in the EU or international, you probably need an adapter to convert these. And then you'll have one of these high power 24-watt chargers for charging the tablet. So just make sure the tablet's nicely fully charged before you start up. So I'll put the tablet to one side. So that just leaves the battery. So the battery must be charged whilst it's in the on position. So before you charge the battery, switch it on as such, and then charge it up. There's then a Velcro strip, so you can, it's like a male and female Velcro, and you can stick that on either the back of the sensor, just there, or on the top, whichever you please, and then you can connect it up to the power and switch it on. And then there's another tutorial that basically shows you how to use the software. That's just the assembly. So once you've finished, unplug the battery. If you want, you can take off the handle, you can release the grip, or should I say the tablet holder, and unscrew that. But as suggested, just make sure that everything's nice and tight before you go portable.